Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the same Apple ID on both devices. Once done, update iOS and Mac OS so protocols match. That prevents handshake errors. Make a choice: connect via USB for reliability or enable Wi-Fi sync for convenience. Plug the cable or place devices on the same network, then unlock your iPhone and trust the Mac if prompted. This first step establishes a secure channel, so transfers won't fail mid-process. Once your device is connected, open Finder on Catalina or later, or iTunes on earlier Mac OS. Select your iPhone from the sidebar and scan the tabs: Music, Photos, Files, and Info, so you control what moves. Make choices: set automatic backup to this Mac for safety, enable syncing for specific playlists or albums, and pick whether to manage music and videos manually. These detailed settings determine how future changes propagate. Make sure to review and adjust before you click Apply or Sync. Now execute the sync by clicking Apply or Sync and watch the progress bar. Don't disconnect mid-transfer. Once it finishes, verify content on both the Mac and iPhone. Open Music, Photos, and Files to confirm items arrived intact and check Finder for recent backups. If something fails, start with basic troubleshooting. Restart both devices, swap the USB cable or port, and, if needed, sign out of Apple ID, then sign back in to refresh iCloud permissions. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.